Hello, welcome to Wisdom Channel. How are you today? I believe you're nice, you're good. Welcome to Wisdom Channel, where we enlighten ourselves. And today, we're still on the matter that matters. Tomorrow, 26th of July, is the D-Day. It's the day we've been waiting for. It's a day that God will glorify himself. And it will prevail. It will vindicate Chief Sunday Igboho and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because they are not criminal. They are not terrorists. They are human rights activists. They are freedom fighters. They are agitators. They are requesting for the liberation of their people. As we all know, Nigeria was amalgamated in 1914, and the amalgamation was projected for 100 years. And by 2014, the amalgamation expired. And after the expiration of this amalgamation, we were expected to either renew it or go our separate ways. But ignorantly, our leaders, they did not know what to do. They went to another election, which was not supposed to be. That was what gave us this illegal, irresponsible administration that is oppressive, that is carrying out genocide and ethnic cleansing against all other citizens. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu requested for Biafra, for his Biafra people. They want to get out of they don't want to renew the relationship anymore. And so also Yoruba nation, we call for self-determination of Yoruba nation. So a call for self-determination is not a call for war. But to our dismay, President Muhammadu Buhari used his killer machine to begin to kill the IPOB. He created Operation Python Dance. Python Dance 1, 2, 3. And they began to kill. They ransack Nnamdi Kanu. They go to his house. They incriminated him. They said they met some harminations in his house, which they are all lies. Because they are liars. The same lie they lied it against Sunday Igboho, that we were ourselves, we saw that this is a lie. So, as we all know, since Buhari got there, the Fulani has been oppressive under the umbrella of Meti Allah and the Boko Haram and Fulani S-men. They went on rampage everywhere in the whole country. There's no part of Nigeria that's not tasted Fulani S-men saga, massacre, raping, kidnapping. And these same people, they call them that they are bandits, and they are just doing it for money, to get money. The same people, they will rape, they will kill, they will maim, and yet they say they are not criminal, they are just bandits. So I said just as Alpha Gumi said, and Governor El-Rufai of Kaduna, they said those ones are not criminal. That Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho, they are the criminal. Nnamdi Kanu did not, and Eastern Security Network, they have never brought down any fighter jets. But the bandits, they have brought down 6 fighter jets of Nigeria. All the fighter jet that Nigeria has, they brought it down. and yet they are not terrorists. Just recently, they want to take over police armories in Kaduna, yet they are not criminal. They are not terrorists. They are not criminal. They are just bandits. They are just doing everything for money. So many people in the north have been rendered homeless, and yet they are not bandits. So it's only Sunday Igboho and Nnamdi Kanu that are terrorists. As it may be, I want every one of us to know that these people, they stake their life for us, and this is the time to pay back. Whether you are Igbo, Hausa, Ijo, Nupe, Tifi, Burom, wherever may be your tribe, Fulani said we are all slaves, and they are the supreme tribe they are the only one that has power. They are the only one, because they are the lords, the Fulani lords. They are the one that has right to rape, to kill, to maim, to do and undo. How can we bring all these things to an end? It is when Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Tifi, Nupe, Gwari, and all others will unite against our common enemy. Our common enemy is Fulani, and we have seen them. We have known their plan. Their plan has been unveiled to us. So we too, we have to plan. We have to rise up. All Yoruba judges, all Igbo judges, all Yoruba lawyers, Igbo lawyers, and all other tribe, all lawyers from every other tribe. The battle of Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, and Sunday Igboho is our battle, and we have to rise up for them. Tomorrow is the D-Day in Cotonou. Another one is in Nigeria, Abuja. So all Yorubas, Igbo that are in Abuja, Hausas, Nupes, Gwaris, all of you, if you know you are not a slave, this is the time to go out there. Go to the court. Demand for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Demand for the release of Sunday Igboho. They are not criminal. They are not criminal. They are not criminal. They have not committed any crime. It is the federal government that have been committing genocide, using their power, government power, government machineries to oppress other tribe. And all of us, we other tribe, we have to arise. We have to arise and speak with one voice and say enough is enough. It is time for us to say we are not taking this any longer. It is time to tell them to their face that Fulani are not our lords. That Fulanis are not superior to us. We allow them in our country. We have been in existence before their arrival. They are the ones that are strangers. They cannot come and lord it over us. So therefore, if we have sold our birthright to them before, this is the time to recover our birthright and let them know that we are not their conquered slaves. And I want Babangida, Gowon, and Abdulsalam, because you people are the one that created the major problem. The three of you are the one that created the major problem. The three of you are the one that really do the work that gave the Fulani the opportunity to do what they are doing, including Obasanjo. So thank God you people are alive today to see what is happening. So we are calling you people now to rise up. Rise up and do the needful, and let us put an end to this nonsense. They have called you people that you are the willing tools. You are the willing tools that they have used. Also, I'm calling on the National Assembly under the leadership of Ahmad Lawal and Gbajabiamila to rise up. Let the Fulani know that they are not conquered slaves and they have not conquered anybody anywhere. All the Hausas in the National Assembly, all the Yorubas, Igbos, this is not the time to play politics. This is a time of serious matter, or else our race, our tribe will be a forgotten issue in Nigeria and all over the world. So this is a time of sober reflection. This is a time to get serious. This is time to say no to oppression, to say no to intimidation, to say no to injustice, to say no to broad day robbery that Fulani is trying to do against us. God bless you. I want you to share this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we'll be enlightening ourselves about what is happening and the way forward. The Lord will help us. Tomorrow, go out en masse, show your solidarity for Sunday Igboho and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are not criminals. We should not allow President Muhammadu Buhari and Abubakar Malami and his Fulani oligarchs to have their way. Let us stand up for the truth. Let us stand up for our liberation. Let us stand up and reclaim our lands. God bless you. God bless you. Share it. Subscribe to our channel. And many more programs will be coming up very soon. Very, very soon. So many interesting programs will be coming up on this channel. It will not be only, we will no longer focus only on Nigeria matter. We will be coming up with different topics. So when you are a subscriber, we will be able to invite you. We'll be able to bring you to our live chat, and I know it's going to be a great exposition. Thank you. Put on your notification bell so anytime we have anytime we upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you very much. God bless you. We love you, but God loves you more. Thank you.